go! Hello, hello, hello! Hello, Gizzy! Hey, Vibey! And hey, Shan! I wish you a good night's sleep. Akve Petra, Holdrio, my bester. How are you doing, guys? Today, we're gonna continue. After doing the cutting of stuff, we're going to prepare the stuff. And I thought, like, grilling would be the first cute one. So yeah, let's do it. We are going straight to Unreal Engine. Like, music there? Boom, boom, boom. Wrong. Sorry. Dun, 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 dun. And here, Unreal. Here's my fiery fire. My calm music. So Shen can sleep. Okay, Gizzy, thank you. Oh my god, 9 months. That's like a whole pregnancy. Thank you, thank you. Now where's the pet rock? Right. There. I give him some ears today. So I am thinking about maybe swap fires. This is the new fire. It's still a bit big. I have to make a copy maybe of this one. But then we got some consistent fire stuff going on. Nothing working? Huh? I newly connected with Twitch again, so let's see if it's still working. Let's see. Now it should be doing well now. Here's the part. Thank you, thank you. So what we need to cook is some sort of heat source, which we'll create soon. But first I will show you what I've done in the meantime. This is the bush of beans. And you can see we got these little squares around the bean pods. And these are placeholders, so when you are grabbing them, then the placeholder mesh will... No, it's not a bush of love, no! No, but the placeholders will be replaced with the proper ones inside of your hand. This is working pretty fine. Hey, MSK! Yeah, we're making a campfire project, Campfire, because I need something to cook my fish. We got here this lovely big fish. He's not so amused about being caught. And you can see this is a slice of the fish and 1 cube of the fish meat. And yeah, what you can see here, these arrows, they are indicators for me during the progress. It's meant to show me what cutting directions these are accepting. So yeah, you can cut the fish from this side or from this side, and you get different outputs. The slice here can be cut only from like this angle, nothing like from the sides here. So this is pretty simple. And yeah, I want to make this cook more like grill at the start, because we only have a campfire here. So I have prepared the material. Let's turn this baby around here so you can see a bit. So here is an example of the material of the fish. And when I change my grilled value, then you can slowly but surely see these grill marks will appear. The meat is getting darker. When I apply it, then you can see it. And it's dark reddish when it's done. And even the fish is getting some reddish tone. He's pretty dark, so you can't see it that much, but you can still see the grill lines. I thought this would be fine and cute. When we have other fish, I have different types of fish. The lighter ones will be more easy to distinguish what's grilled and what's not. But that is the idea how to do it. So yeah, what we need to make something grill, we need some heat source. So I got our little campfire here. It's doing a campfire job, I think.
Witch _ gifted us with 20 coins. This looks
Thank you,
amazing.
Witch. Thank you. This is so nice of you. Woo! I hope you like the new campfire fire. The first one, I can show you both side by side so you can see what's new and what's old. Auto active. Let's bring these to the side. I got some comparison. This was my old fire. The very first fire I ever made. But since we are going for this more stylized style and I want some sort of consistency, that's why I want to swap it for this style. We can add some smoke to it, etc. But for the main style, that's it. And we are using the same one in our lantern as well. Let's see if I can find it. The newly made one, lantern blueprint class, that should be it. So yeah, here's some little magic fire inside. And what's so cool about this one is I can make a simulation for you. It has some trailing to it. When you're carrying this one around, then you can see the trail and the smooth light it brings. So yeah, that's why I am swapping the fire, so you know. Means bye-bye old fire and hello to the new one. Oop. The logs here and the pile are still placeholders because Shan is still making these assets, and they will go to through the review, and when everything is done and fine, then we will add the new meshes, because yeah, I don't have much time for these. Advanced simulation. See, where am I? Campfire. Oh, that's for the old fire. We don't need it anymore. So compile and it's green again. Okay, we need a component, because I started to make everything in components. Means basic features will work like Lego pieces. Take all the time you need. I mean, I can still work with the placeholder, so don't be like super stressed about it. So basically, these are the first components that I created. Thanks for the wood. And these components can be brought into like every item. So if it's something edibles, then we can add this one. It's something you can cut, then it's this one. Is something that is able to cut, then we add this one. So we have different Lego pieces we can add to all of our items, and then give them the abilities and features we need. So we are creating a new one, and that will be an actor component, and we call it Heat source. Yes. Component. Then we can give it to like every test. Oh. I think it's working again. Wow, my microphone crashed. Why? I haven't started to sing. So yeah, we need some variables here for our heat source. So let's say we need a heat radius. Come on, rename heat radius. This will tell whenever something is close enough, and we give it a float. Then the next one will be max heat output. So the maximum of heat that this thing will give you. Hey, coconut milk! Welcome, welcome! Thanks for your follow! Ah, I don't know what's going on with that. It started quite a while. So we start that. So yeah, where am I? Max heat output is also a float. The current heat output. Also float. This will be like dynamic. Sometimes heat will increase or decrease because of different causes, like rain or something like that. And check overlap will be a function. Let's see, we have to make a function then. And I think that's it. So we can kill this one. Function. Check overlap. I think that's it. So we got a little function here that will do something for us. And I hope this will do for the moment. Let's give it to our campfire. Just have to bring it, no, not like this. I want to bring it to the list here. There it is. Heat source component. So this will have all these parameters now. I hope this will work this way, and yeah, we will check it. So we can either give it an additional like overlap collision. Cookable in range. Ooh. We can give it an additional list. Check interval. Okay, let's see. Can you do something like that? Get component tag. I have to quickly check my cheat sheet. Okay, sphere overlap actors in tag with tag. Okay. So we definitely need. I think then we can skip the heat radius maybe. Let's add a sphere. Sphere collision. Let's call it heat. Viewport. Let's give this heat one. See if I can ray tracing as replication. There should be a color that I can give this one. Can't see it right now. This is the radius. We can increase it a bit. Like this. So this is the maximum radius where it can detect meat stuff. And I think we can do it with some sort of overlapping. So on component begin overlaps. That means as soon as an item enters this little bubble, we can now take the heat source component. We get this check overlap thingy here, and this will not only check but also see how far away we are from the center, etc. And then we'll give more or less heat to our cooking thing. So check overlap. So now we are giving instructions from the fire to the cookable thing. So what we need is the other actor, which will be the cookable thing. And for that I need on this side an input. Let's call it ingredient or edible. Let's call it edible. Edible object, and this will be an actor object reference. So we are giving them one exact object. Oh, it's here, and this will be the other actor. So, and this is when we start cooking, and we can give it another one. We scroll all to the bottom and overlap. So when it's done, or when you think you're done, you have to remove your item from that circle. So we have a new one, like no, maybe not a function. We can make it some event. Let's do a custom event then. Custom event, and or add grilling. Let's end the grill. Because we have to stop certain things. And let's make, just to be a bit more consistent, a start grill first, and this one will call the other function. Edible object will be needed here as well. So we can just give this to the other one. But we are not starting this one, but we do this instead. So we are doing a little bit of ping pong. The fire thing here will use the fire component to tell the edible component that it's being grilled. Yeah, but because we have like different fiery things, and the heat source can not only like cook things, it can maybe melt things when it's hot enough. It can burn things, whatever. So it's not only tied to cooking. And in this case, we will start with some grilling here. We can have different of these triggers. So heat source component, we start grill, and then we end the grilling with whatever. Okay, we're checking for the overlap. Let's see. Component by class. Now we are asking, is this thing inside an edible? So we ask for an edible component is valid, so that we know, okay, this will definitely work or not. And if it's not an edible, then we can ignore it inside of the grilling part. And if it's a thing here, then yes, we can go on and give it, for example, the heat, etc., and check where it lies. So we can ask for the location, get actor location. So we're asking for the position where it is. Let's see if I can get the parent actor or get owner. So get owner is the owner of this component, which is the fire. And we are taking the location as well, get actor location. We need both locations. So distance factor. Let's see. Let me think. We need definitely our heat radius. Get heat radius. And we have to compare if the distance between these two. Sphere overlap actors. Asian radius, object type. Let's see. It wants to go with the sphere overlap actor. Okay. Sphere overlap actor. So the sphere position is the owner position. the sphere radius is our heat radius. And let's see. So we don't need this one's location. These are the actors. So we are scanning. So like this, let's clean this thing up a bit. So we still need this as an actor. So this is a group. Let's see if we find item. So we are looking for that item. So what do you get? We get an integer -1 for not found. Okay. So we need something that is greater than -1. Branch. So we are double checking here. First step is, here's my flyer. Something is entering this globe. So this is the first trigger to ask when it's close, how close it is to our heat source. And then we will check for that as well. Source component. This is the branch. Let's give it an output. And let's call the output a Boolean. And give it more than just one. So question 1 from our Boolean is close enough? Yes or no? So we have both of them. This says no, it's not close enough. And this will say yes. Did someone say brunch? Oh no, unfortunately not. It's branch. But you can maybe just munch on it. So let's see. Here's a return value of a Boolean that we don't really need. Okay, this seems to work for that one. Spheres overlapping, check. It's cookable, check. Draw debug sphere, this is all done. And I think we can start with the cooking. So since we got these return nodes, our event graph here is this little one. So we are using the start grill, we are checking the overlapping, and if it's done, so we are branching again. When true, then we will give the cooking component the current heat. Let's see, what's the maximum heat here? Let's see, 200 degrees. Current is 100, because why not? Now I need my edible component, because we need to prepare this one as well. Events. I think we should give it an event, because we need the timelines to make it work. So let's give it event is start grill. No, custom event. Sorry, custom event start grilling, and this will get the heat as a float. Heat component. So we are taking the edible objects. We are checking for the heat source. I have to check that I'm not like doing something wrong here. It's an edible object. Look at this heat source component. No, check. Overlap, this is correct. So we now have to search for the component. Get component by class. Oh, I think we can make it faster. Start grill. We can't use it directly. This is nice. I forgot we can do this. Like this. Then we give it this start grill. Yeah. While you are having an current value, object type, query, object types, pin is invalid. Okay, what object type? What do you need? Root node paste. Let's give it a local variable. Let's see, what object types do you take? World stacky. Ah, this one. Okay. So take these two just to be sure. Ah, and the error is gone. So edible component is getting the heat. We have to compile to make it visible. Start grill. No, it's the wrong one. Edible object. We need this one. It's start grilling from the edible component. So many names. So this is, let's see. Well, then we really have to call this one. Component by class. We have to get it first, as I thought. So here's the edible one. Start grilling. Ah, this is the one with the heat. Ta-da! And the heat will be the current heat output. Wrong one. Get this one. I think we have to update maybe from time to time the heat, so things will stop getting heated up when the heat goes out, but that's something for later. So compile. All compiled and saved. Okay, new param. Start grill other actor. I think I have to refresh. Here we are. No, it's good. The other actor is the edible object. Got 7.2 hours of sleep to get now. Oh, good night, Chen. Have a good night. I'm so flabbergasted that you love my voice and can't endure it. Have a good night. We have to start grilling. This is not good. Now we're here. We got the heat now. What I want to do is to set up a timeline. it new timeline? I always forget this. The animation, nope. Animation, no. Why? Where is it? Class of timeline component, nope. We've done it last time for the growth. We'll just check on that one. Blueprints, items, not items, you're uninteractable. From the farming plant here. Timeline. Can I just steal it? Can't we use timelines? Oh, it won't let me. Oh, that's an issue. So I have to find something else. Let's see. Quickly ask Nye what he's thinking about it. Delta time. Yeah, okay, we can do something like this. Then we don't need that one. That's a bit sad because we can't have any like curve to it. But yeah, we can do something. In progress. Okay, then we have different states. Okay. Let's see. Event tick component. Let's see. We need maybe a function to have it a bit more structured. To overrideable new function. Grading process. And this one has a local variable called work in progress. You upload. Then we will have the cooking progress or the grilling progress from 0, like it's ungrilled, to like 100%, and when it's going above, then it will burn at some point. Can I have this? Yes, well, no. Let's see if we can use the delta time. Yeah, here we are. So it's similar to the timeline. And we multiply it with the heat. We have to get the heat. Ooh, something nice happened. I don't get the my activity feed now, but whoever, whatever, thank you. I hope I will know soon. Oh, Zaki! Thanks for your Prime sub. Yeah, Twitch Prime is not a crime. And you make Bedrock happy. So we're taking the heat. I hope you had a good day so far. So now we are multiplying. I'm curious if this is ever working. When cooking process to the next state, we have to check for that number definitely. So I will create a print string now, and this will be our very first test if it's doing anything. And when it's doing context, let's see, what context do we need? Context. Okay. Seems to do anything. Are you working? Okay. So we got our heat source here, and we need to declare, of course, our radius, heat radius. Let's say it's just for the start. It's 3 meters. So I can see this radius, hopefully. Sphere overlap actors, let's see. And then hopefully we get some sort of reaction. So I'm bringing this piece of meat, stay above this one. I hope this is falling down. Okay, so it's falling inside, but it's not doing a thing. We don't get anything triggered here. Means we have to check everything. So we are having this one component begin overlap heat. We're going to this dot grill, and we have our first check here. Let's bring you a bit more back. When it's valid, then we have a print string, so we know that okay, this is recognized as edible. That's fine. It's saying hello. So this is fine. We are checking for the overlapping. If this is making any issues, then we just skip it and keep it with the normal radius on overlap and make it like that. Let's see. Find. Let's see when it's true. Then we need a second print here. No, and here is where it breaks. So bye bye overlapping. Get owner. This one. We just skip all of you. Make it less complicated. Is valid yes, is valid no. Save everything just to be sure. You know, Unreal Engine can get a bit finicky. Yeah, I had a really great day so far. I can't complain, to be honest. So, okay, we got this thing is running. We got our first numbers. it's not updating as I hoped. Make animation update. Let's see what could be a delta time context. Yeah, to be honest, I did some sleeping during the later day. It was just so chilly. Outside was rain and the couch was so fine. So I had a little nap. Delta time context event tick could be something. Do we have this? Nope. No tick. Tick component. Can we have this? Is component tick enabled? Maybe we can give this component a tick. Haven't thought of that. Let's see. Now we're here in the edible component. So let's go to the material. This one, I need an actor, items, edibles, fish. This one, for example. And we are checking the edible component. We have a tick here. Text. Starts with tick enabled. Tick interval seconds. Oh! Let's see. When I give this event begin play, and it has this. Set tick group. Maybe we can get the ticks. Add tick. Is component tick enabled. Get component tick interval. Maybe this. Are you using this one? No. Animation utilities array operator structure. Manual loops and events. Let's see. And that would be lovely to have next week. I can do this again. Are you on vacation again? Event take context, okay. Custom event get delta seconds. Okay, I have to give this one delta seconds. Let's see. Do we have something here? Deprecated. Get world delta seconds. Okay, let's try this. Delta seconds. Maybe this is working. So compile, save. We got one time. being just at home is so cool. So let's see, I need something different. This ain't working. This is just firing once. Can we have different triggers at the same time? Is this possible? Because we could use like the event tick. Start grilling. What if the grilling part just gives the information that we are doing the grilling, and the grilling process comes from here? Let's try this. And for now the heat is 0. Can live with that. And we can either take this temperature variable. Let's see, I'm just thinking about if we add game logic and enum. Component consumption effect, consumption state, consumption type. These states here. Enum. Progress type. None is doing none. Grill is doing grill. For now we have only these two, but that's okay. And the edible component will get this one as well. Progress type. Progress type. Not fulfill. What? Progress time. So we are progressing through any cooking stuff. Let's make it like this. Set. This will set to grill. So it will know it will grill. Get. Let's see. Not equal switch on. Then it will always check what it's doing right now. Thank you, Zaki. That's what I need to calm down a bit. Yo, this is working, hopefully. We can skip that heat here. And for now we just give heat to our temperature. So this will be a different thing later on. But for the start, the temperature will be just increased to whatever is like. There is no progress in the heating. We just go from 0 to 100. Cooking progress, this, and the heat is this temperature now. Let's see if it does anything. Everything compiling good. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, now it's doing something. It's going up and down. This is interesting. Cooking process, delta seconds. I wonder what the temp is. Let's check this one. If it's consistent or not. Yeah, 100. Save. I wonder what the delta seconds do. Maybe it's just from 0 to 60, something like this. Okay, this is super low. Bring this one here. And we bring this to the front. So it's taking always this. So what we are doing is the how do I do it? Consumption state, type, temperature, vision. Cooking process. So we're setting this up like this by getting our process, get maybe on the lower one, so this goes in the upper one. We add these two. Let's try this. So this is really adding up and not like overwriting itself over and over again. This should do a bit. Let's see. Still going down. This is interesting. Maybe it's starting all over again. I have to check if this progress is starting once or twice. Let's make this another color, like reddish, and make it last for 5 seconds. We can see how often we get triggers. Like only twice. Maybe we have to ask if it's already doing something. Start grilling. So we are progress type grill. Get equals. So it's only doing anything when it's not doing anything before. Yep. This is true. Good night, Zeki. Good one. You deserve it. I think that's it's only dropping once now. Let's stop this one for a sec. Just to be sure. We only get, yes, one. This is only triggering once. This is way smoother now. So let's see what this is doing. It's not adding up, which is weird. I presume we have to move this process out of the function and make it a variable here. I hope to have I would be able to like have it not globally, but I presume this is the issue now. Get that. This and this, and now we can check. This is different now. Yeah, now it's counting up. Okay. So this is doing a thing. We can use the multiplication with the heat. So the heat has some impact to it in case of this grilling process. Which means we can use the multiply as intended. Then we get really, really big numbers. Let's see how big it will get. Everything is, no, come on. Oh, this is too big. What if don't multiply it like this? So we are just giving whatever the temperature is, a tenth to it. Yeah, I think this is something we can work with. So this is grilling process, and we now will ask for when it's done. Do we have anything? Consumption duration, consumption stages, no. Cooking progress, okay, flavor curve. We can do some sort of lerp. And cooking process. This. What if we make it count to 100? So we divide it by 100. I'm just watching the numbers. I need the print to see it. I'm sorry. Because we need to get some sort of feeling for how long something like this will need. This is too long. Maybe 10 divided by 10. So it's always that short. No. Then we're maybe counting 2000 for the grilling experience. And this will be our branch here. So we make variable for now. Done when. Compile. 1000. And current when. Let's say 1500. And we will see if this is doing anything for us. Means we need a branch now. Done when. So we are checking all the time. Get done when. And this one larger or greater. Yeah, greater. Or greater equal would be cool. Greater equal. So as soon as it's reaching this one, we are branching. When it's true, we make a print done. But we will keep on watching. Get burnt when. And cooking process, we can get it like this. Cooking process, get it. Greater equal than burnt. I mean, there's no end to it. You can just keep it like that. And true. Then we got the print. It's quite burning. Let's make this run red. And this one is green. Next will be the optical thing to it. So just waiting and see if this is a time window we can live with. So it's already done and now it's burning. Yeah, I think we can do this. Something like this. I need to take care now of the material. Content, campfire, assets, materials. Where's my fish? Corvian fish material. We need to create a material instance. So like this. And our little piece here. To edit it. Because you will take the instance now. So we can trigger it a bit. Like this. In the process, we have to do this transformation stuff in between here. Come on. So like this. Cooking process. So we have to get this thing somewhere. Tick, start grilling. We are inside of the edible component already. Let's see if I can get... Get parent, let's see. Nothing with the material. Hey Levis, thanks for your follow. I am trying to invent grilling, but this is all like on the fly and I still need to figure out stuff. Maybe we can give the material already to this component. Let's see. This is the fish slice. This is the overlapping for the cutting. Maybe if we start here. This is the actor. Start grill edible object. Check overlap, start grilling. Yeah, we need to get the material from here. Let's see. Custom material, instance actor, no. It's not the object itself. It's the mesh. And it's a static mesh component. Oh, I hope this will be consistent. Oh yeah, we got all AO2 times. We make new times, trust me. And I hope they will be as nice and as cozy as we had it on AO2. Oh, let's see. I need to experiment a bit. We don't have any information here, but to give it somewhere. The campfire does know it from here. Has it still here inside the heat source component. Create static mesh, no. Get component by class. Let's see. Static mesh component. If this is doing our job. Start grilling needs an input now. I hope we can get it. We ask for the mesh. Static mesh component, object reference. This could be fine. I hope so. So this one is going to that hole. Save. Now we got the mesh here. Set material, let's see. Set Scala parameter value on materials. Ui. Here we are. But this is here. We have to give it this one here. And dispatches. We have to save this one. Mesh, static mesh, component, like this. And we set it like this. But only if the condition is correct. So we have to bring it somewhere in between these two. You belong here. And you here. You two go here. And then it's already looking way cleaner. So we are setting up this mesh part now, and I hope we can get it up there to update it. So progress, switch, drilling progress. Yeah, it has to be in here. Get mesh. Set Scala for primitive data. Materials, let's see. I'm still pretty new to that technique. I've seen it, I think, once. We'll see. So cooking progress. This one has to be divided by 1,000. So when it's 1,000, then we have 1, because 1 is the maximum of the parameter. And the name of the parameter, what are you called? Grilled. Okay. And let's edit this. Am I here? Grilled. Let's see if this is doing something for us. Ooh. Whoa. You're burning. Go way too fast. Oh, it's 100. I need to divide by 1,000. Hey, FBI man. So now I want some. Slowly but surely, giving us cooking. So it's done, as it's still doing and burning. Have fun. It's unbearable hot now. But I think this is the thing. This is a thing we can work with. So when it's done, maybe a sequence. Because one will be branched to the other one. And I do once. If there's one, do once, yes. And if this is, I think we can stop it when it's burned completely. So let's see. We have the start, close, reset, completed. Okay. For the do once, I will try to give it some sort of maybe effect. Let's see if there is something we can use. Because we have our third party in the smoke effects. Maybe something nice. Let's see. Fire rotator, no. Smoke rotator, no. Particles. Can try different particle stuff. The fire's okay. Steam up, steam sort trail. Let's see, steam ground. Let's see what the smoke is doing. That's a bit much. As a smoke trail, so you can see it. Smoke landing. Oh, that's a bit much. Let's test this one. Poof. I like the effects. They are so sweet. We can make this smaller when it's maybe cooking or something. Steam slow. What are you doing? Let's keep this one. Edible component. Event graph. Let's see. Let's setting it to grill. We're only doing it once. And we got the mesh. Let's see if we can spawn and apply. Or attach. No. Is it an actor? Spawn emitter at location. Spawn emitter attached. Let's see. Ah, attach the component. Steam slow. Attach point, location. Let's see. Yeah, location. We have get absolute location. Nope. But we need the yellow one because this is the one. Rotation scale. Keep relative. Auto destroy, auto activate. Let's see if we are adding some steaming to it. Nope, of course not. I wonder if it's somewhere. Oh, we got the static mesh component, but it's not. Not spawn it. What if I just do this? I presume we need more than that one. Auto activate. Where could you be? Scale rotation. You are not. Oh, we can print if it's doing something, or it will tell us nothing. Then we know it if it's going astray. Fish slice particle. Yeah, it is somewhere. Let's make it like 20 seconds last. And get absolute location. Let's see if this one will talk to us. Then we can see where it is spawning, if it is spawning. False. Okay, we don't have any location. We have a name, but no location. Cascade particles. You are cascade particle emitter, yes. Steam slow. And you're steam slow. attach point. We don't need any attach point. Scaling is normal. Keep world position. Pooling method. What's this? A method used for pooling this content. Well, default is none. Thank you. But we don't destroy it. Maybe this will help. Oh. Yeah, but we have to be sure that the steam is going up. And maybe wait a bit. But it's doing something. Boom, boom, boom. We have to maybe give it to the grading progress. So I take both of you. Go to the grading progress and we wait. We're setting all of this. And we're waiting with the branch. Not further done. Cooking process. Let's build it like this. Process is greater equal not 1000 but maybe 100, so it looks like it has some delay for the temperature. Bum, 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 bum. Then we will spawn attach. Spawn emitter attached. Guys, you need to make some space here. We have to play with the rotation now. We definitely have our mesh. This will be the component to attach. Steam slow is the one we are using for now. I will tone it down even more, so we have it really steaming. The location. Get relative location. Oh, come on. Word position. And now to the rotation. The rotation doesn't have to be with the object, but to the world. Let's see, what if we take this here? Get rotation. What if we give this one as well? In what direction are you smoking then, my baby? Okay, it's going downwards. So let's see. When you are attaching to this one, we need to change the rotation. I'm quickly asking now. Now let's see. World rotation. Location type. Keep world position. With 000, but this doesn't do the job. Component damp anchor. Okay, there's a damp anchor. Let's see. I have to add this to the slice. It's nothing like this. And a scene component. A scene component. It. Let's see. Now this is BS as well. Look up. Okay, there is right render facing mode, facing camera with mixed up vector. Okay. Let's see. Maybe it's really stuck inside this one. This is so old. Oosh. What's it called? It cascade particle system. Cascade particle system. Attachment to component. Okay. Location keep relative. Rotation. Keep world. We have to do it a bit differently. So spawn emitted attached doesn't have the rotation type like this, location type. So let's spawn respawn emitter. Add location, and then we can try to attach it maybe. So this is the location. Slow steam. Ooh, powdered bound mouse. Oh, I hope you got the little mouse. The poor thing. So let's see if we can attach it. Attach component to component. And the parent is the mesh. Yeah, now we got the location rule, keep relative. And the rotation, keep world. Let's see. Maybe this is better? Yes. Oh, we are adding too many. We got a wall of steam. Okay, this explains a bit. This is a do once thing. And a sequence. So many sequences. So sequence, do once. You are all going up here. You two can also go up here. And you, my darling, can go on from this one. So you're not touched by the other one. So, next try. Our baby's falling down and steaming like crazy. You just have to tone it down. Is it only one steam? Nope. So many steamies. Question is, why aren't... So this is the one that we want, not the thousands. You're already in a do once, baby. What's your issue? Have to activate, yeah, ba-bam. I mean, it has no reset. It's not starting like several times. For the action that you are having or you had in the living room, I can say I was able to hear nothing. Was the mouse eaten now or did it escape? Maybe they emitted us that thing. Let's make print again. So if this print is coming several times, then we know this one gets spawned several times. Yes, here it is. What don't you understand when I ask you for do once? Output files only one the first time and the node is hit, but can be reset. Or is it still spawned here? No. There's no additional spawning. So the grilling process is hit by the event tick. This is where we get our seconds from. Let's see how I can solve this. You catched her all. Okay, when the owning blueprint will get loaded again and again and again. So do once doesn't work. Then we have to do something different. do steam with a boolean and do smoke with a boolean. Then we're doing it this way. We are asking for the get do steam branch. If no, then we will activate all of this and set the do steam, not get but set, that do steam is active now, so it will only do this once here. That should do the job, hopefully. Let's try this. Ah, this is way less smoke. Now I can take care of the animation itself. We can make it like smaller and way slower, so it's looking more cozy, which means we need steam slow cooking, and I have to bring it to Campfire VFX because you are an effect. And of course we have to switch one that we are using. Slow cooking, like this. So we close this one. Slow cooking, so this is the animation, and we're checking dynamic velocity drag. Velocity, let's see, minimum, maximum. So if we reduce this one, now it's getting somewhere. Let's see where the size is coming from. Size by life. So it gets multiplied. And I have to play around with these numbers a bit to get it smaller. Okay, this are these. Now we're getting slow. Like this, but initial size is way too big. Minimum is way too big. We're getting somewhere. Let's watch it. It's doing something. Maybe should stop this. Thank you, thank you. Let's see, lifetime size, rotation, dynamic, initial velocity and drag. So I want to play with the drag a bit. I love this irregular steaming, but the velocity is way too much. Let's see the spawn rate maybe. Constant rate. Let's reduce you. To see what's looking better. The size by life is still too fast somehow. This is the life multiplier. This is going up. And this is looking the same. This is just having them like the X is the only one that we need. Still looking for a way to make it a bit slower, like doing more like a soft steamy. Like this, but when we turn this a bit higher. And initial rotation. The rotation is okay, I think. Initial velocity. Go down. Okay, so I can't see any end to this here. It's just going. Can I add a crate? No pan. Horizontal. Okay, so it's getting. I do this, it's getting smaller in the end, which is okay. The drag, let's see. Size by life. I'm still playing with stuff because I want it to be cute, cozy, and looking like it's like steaming. That's too small now. So we can increase the initial size a bit. Maybe like this. Lifetime, minimum and maximum. We can make this longer. so they have more time to come up. Ooh, this is sweet. Save this. Please don't crash. Hate it when you stop animating. So let's stop this baby. Okay, we can go a bit bigger again. Initial size. Let's see. Is this okay? Do you guys like it? So we got some steaming here. I think this is a reasonable size. Lifetime is okayish. These single ones are so cute. So when this is done and it is burning, then we have to reduce the steam and give it some burning. I would say we make this one like color over life. Thank you, Garbage Crafter. What do they have? Module edit color. Color over life. Oh, this is a constant white one. I'll bring it back, but yeah, we can change colors here. That's cute. This is cool. So I can do something to this. Color over life. I hope I can give it some sort of some edit value or editable value. But what we definitely need is a copy of that one when it's burnt. So no matter how good it will look, smell, whatever, so as soon as it is burning, we will have to give it a dark color. Color over life. Maybe a brownish tone. Darker. So this is looking so yucks, but we can do this. So we got our do steam now. When done, we can maybe let it stop like this, or we can add some additional optical hint when something is done. That I don't know yet. You can bring up your own ideas. What we'll do to that piece of meat when it's well done. Do we give any hint, or is it something you have to come up with yourself? But then some of these two ones can be skipped. And we make the same with the burnt. Nothing special here. Okay. maybe I can skip the sequence for now. So we are asking for the burning. Do smoke. Get to smoke. We can sequence here. So I'm branching for smoke, so we have the smoke only once. And we will do the same just with the smoke. Copy and paste. The smoke is false, it's not smoking yet. And here we'll set the smoke on yes. And this time it's slow particle burning. And on the other side we will have to remove that one. You are an emitter. Emitter. Let's maybe save it like that. Particle. Do we have something like this? Cascade maybe? Cascade particle system component, I think. Particle system object reference. Let's see. Particle system. Object reference. This is it. So the steam emitter will be set now. Set. I'll just take this one. And save it. Like boop. Steam emitter. Does it fit? No. Then it's the wrong one. You know what? F it. Remote to. I think we can keep it local. Oh, let's do it on normal. Okay, it's this one. Well, let's steam emit because we have two now. And save the other one. Emitter. Now it's properly saved. So, and this way I can take this steam emitter here and destroy component. We just get rid of it. And we will set the do steam on no. No, we won't, because it will start steaming again otherwise. We have to reset everything when it's completely done and away. So let's see if it's doing anything. So we got the nice steamy steam. Okay, you can barely see the burning one, but it's doing something. Particular system not valid. Okay, it tries to kill it several times now, but that's okay. Then we bring this one to this point. So It will only get killed once. And let's see, what can we do to this one? It's way darker and smaller. And the darker, the smaller. So we have to give it some more space and size, maybe. Like this. Hey, Hazy! Woohoo! Thanks for your prime. So let's try this one again. Got some steaming. We're getting our grill patterns. It's getting really dark. Yeah, the dark steam is too dark. You can barely see it. We need a better smoke. I mean, on the other side there are, let's see, Campfire, third party. If we check on the other ones, there are more smokies. Maybe there's a nice bird smoke that we can rather use. It's pitch black now. This is not edible anymore. I have to make it less glossy and more charcoal. It's completely burned because I forgot to take it away. Let's see if we have some smoke. Fire and smoke, fire and smoke, fire trail, impact, smoke trail. Smoke landing, smoke 1 and smoke 2. Maybe this? Let's see. Nobody's telling me that my window is too big. Smoke 1. This is the right one. Let's see. What's the second one doing? No, this is too bright. This one is so dark. It's better than the steaming. Let's make a copy of this one and change it a bit. And you go here to VFX, move here. Smoke burning. We're taking this one instead. So we are swapping between nice steam and heavy smoke, and then we can tone the smoke down a bit and make it reasonable in size. Yeah, we can make it definitely slower. So I'll just put it burning. I'll just put it here so you can watch it do its job. I'm not auto-activating. Why? Detach. They're not starting. That's my activation. Auto-activate. It's not starting anyway. I shouldn't delete the floor. Sadly, it won't show up like this. So let's keep that one and we will edit this one. Oh, I have to delete the steam because it's not in use anymore. Smoke burning, here's the red one. And now we can see it. So we have a size comparison, and we will do a bit of the same initial size. Minimum will be smaller. Yeah, like this. Let's see. Do we have any spawn initial velocity? Ah, it's up here. Minimum, maximum. Yeah, then it's a bit slower. Size by life. It's less aggressive. Yeah, this is totally fine, I think. So let's test it. Let it burn. This is cool. So if we go back to our fish, that's the parent. Let's go to the parent. We got this grilled one here, and to make it less glossy at the end, we have to work with the roughness here as well. So it's multiplying by 2 already to be a bit more rough. Let's multiply this one by 5 first. And we add it to this one. And let's see if we are getting less rough burnt thing here. Yeah, it's way better, way better. The only thing you can see here is the normal that is trying to achieve some sort of 3D look. Yeah, but multiplied by 5, this is fine. It's totally burned. So what we should do next is maybe we should destroy our fillet when it's too burned. Let's say someone is really like keeping the stuff out in the woods for any sort of trolling or whatnot. Then we should definitely remove this after some sort of time. So let's be here, let's see. We will check for another one. Cooking process. And where is it? Consumption duration. Ah, done when, burned when. Okay. We call it destroy when. And this is a float again. So burned is 1500. And when it's on 2000, yes, then it should be done and gone. Get destroy when. Branch. Overtime would they be paid? Oh, I'm sorry. I will destroy this and call it a day then. So grilling process. So this will be the end of the grilling process. We have to give it output now. Destroy boolean. So normally this will do nothing. But when this is true, then where's the output? Normally it will start somewhere like this. And yes. Start grilling. Oh, I think I made a mistake by only getting this one. Object. Target. No, we have the target here. Start grilling. Oh. Let's bring back the target. Edible object. Actor object like this. Hey, come on. Grilling process. Okay. Edible object. Let's bring all of you a bit forth. Set. Lower that piece. Bring you here. Get edible object. So we are asking, is this for destroying? Is this thing even still here? And if yes, then we will destroy it. The whole thing. Let's see if it's working. Last round. I'm curious when it will happen, or if. And tomorrow I will have to add every logic that will stop, like the further cooking, further burning, and so on. Oi. Aren't you going to do anything? But I think I have to check on this quickly and then maybe edible object was false. Who knows? We'll bring the cooking process here and watch everything. Print. We can watch the time, where it's going, and this is bigger than our 2000. It should go into this return node. I will copy this one. This is not destroy, and you are not destroy as well. Just want to see the reactions. Come on, don't be shy. So it will cook until 1000, then it's done technically. We can also change the times, make it last longer, but yeah, now we are over 2000 and it's not killing itself. I want to watch it when it's completely black, and then we can see when it should be gone. 4000. Let's say 500. And then I will correct it tomorrow. Destroy when? 500. And then I will get to know what it's doing. Cooking process bigger burned when. So this is doing well, true. Process bigger destroy when. We will see, but not today. It's getting late. But yeah, that's how far we are getting now. So in theory, we can start to grill something when it's near a simple heat source. And based on this, when it's done and finished, I can copy the functionality and add boiling, frying, and whatnot to it. So this is the very first step to cooking, and I hope you like it. It was a bit chaotic, a bit weird, but I had quite a fun. So, wop wop. That's it for today. That's from me and Petrock. So if you have any ideas or wishes, how long something like cooking should take, or if you have any whatnot ideas how to make it more interesting, maybe some sort of visual or audio key to see when it's done, maybe something subtle we can add, then just let me know in the Discord. Next stream will be on Sunday again, and I hope I can show you lots of cool stuff that day. And yeah, that's for now. That's from my side. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me. I hope you've had fun. I know I did. Yeah, and good day, good night, good whatever time zone you are. Love you all, and bye bye.